Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I have a doll here that I bought for a collab. And when you see what a mess she is, you're going to be thinking, what is wrong with her?
What were you thinking?
What were you thinking? You paid what? I paid $20 for this doll. On the low end on eBay, they are $50 plus shipping and usually at least $10 shipping. And most of them now are $12 to $15. And with the postage just going up, it'll probably be more than that. I have a collab coming up with Starch and Stitches. I can't wait to show you. And I bought this doll for that purpose. She has both her earrings. This is Josefina. I wish actually she needs less work than I thought. Look at that. That's not bad. I mean, it's loose, but it's not awful. But we will be disinfecting her. The hair, you know what? It's not near as bad as I thought. So I'm really pleased. Okay, tomorrow I'll tell you her story about what happened here and why she is so, I thought that was a gouge. It looked like a gouge in the photo, but it's not. Somebody loved this doll, I think. I think. What could have happened there except for a knife?
Bar fight. I'm
Scissors, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Darren said she looks like she's been in a bar fight. Actually, they showed some paint or something on her. That's just not bad. I mean, little Mr. Super Clear and get her going in the sink, and I've seen worse. I've bought worse. I'm tickled. So here is my new Josefina. Is she American Girl? She should be Pleasant Company. Can't see it.
I think it says American Girl.
I think it does too. I want to check that. And that's okay. That's just fine. Oh yeah, American Girl tag. So it will say, can you get a close-up on that? American Girl on her neck. That's just fine with me. I don't care. I'm really tickled to have her, and she has both earrings. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Stay tuned. You will be seeing this doll cleaned up, fixed up, and then maybe with some new clothes.
Dressed up.
Yeah. What a pretty doll. Oh, I like her. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, yeah, and subscribe. And if you watch this far, I want to show you this beautiful stand that Darren made for this doll. Oh, I really, really like it. Just thrilled.